Hey YouTube, welcome to another video from Medical Gear Outfitters. We're here in the shop today. We're talking about a different product that we've carried since the beginning of time, but they've changed the packaging on it. And so some of you guys have gotten this and go, hey, you sent me the wrong product. No, it's just an updated product, but it's the same thing. So Purchase Medical used to be the ones who manufactured the emergency bandage. The one that we've known as the Israeli pressure bandage is the exact same bandage. But that's who made it, and we carried it since the very beginning of Medical Gear Outfitters. Well, Safeguard Medical bought out that company, so now they have rebranded the Bandage. Almost had trouble saying that. Put their Safeguard logo on it, but it's the exact same bandage. So, same tear points here. You've got tear point here, here, and here. Either way, you're gonna tear it open, and you have what looks like an Israeli pressure bandage. So this is just the only difference is the outside packaging here. So once we open this up, now you have 3 tear points as well. And unfold. So this is the 6-inch version here. You have your pad there that's going to absorb the bleeding. It's got little stitches in it so this doesn't unroll when you're actually using it. And then you have your clip on the end that you use to secure it. So it has your pressure band here as well. So this goes through your pressure clip and allows you to put more pressure onto the wound. But this is an Israeli pressure bandage that we've always known, we've always called it. It's just not Safeguard Medical owns that company and they brand it as their own. So still the exact same. Same thing where the T3 bandage is here. It's the exact same one we've had for years. It's just the packaging looks different. So hopefully this clears it up. This is the Israeli pressure bandage, emergency bandage. This is a great bandage to have in your kit. I do typically take it outside of this packaging. Like you saw, it's still vacuum sealed up under there. That's how I usually run my kits anyway. So thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.